so crustified. And when I tell you these are on, like, the clackas is gonna be clacking, baby. What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. It's your girl Mika Lynn, and I am doing a press-on nail video today. Before we get into this, do hit that subscribe button before you go. Of course, ring the bell, get all push notifications, and most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Now, baby, at least get these stilettos walking. That made no sense, but whatever. So let's start off by Nailed by Khail. Big thank you to her. Definitely send her some love. She is a viewer on the channel, and I just feel so honored to be able to bring this to the channel. So she did include a couple of things. As you can see, you have the prep kit, you have the thank you card, and then you also have a personal card. Now let's check out this. Ooh, yes. Let's go ahead and check out this set. I am so freaking hyped for this set, okay? We're gonna go ahead and start off with moisturizing my hands. So I am using this Burt's Bees Dark Spot Corrector. I'm trying to get in frame, y'all. So I did buy this at Target, baby. If you're interested, I'll try to find the link for it. But listen, when I tell you I actually use this stuff, listen, the dropper won't even drop. Ooh, see, and that's why I hate doing it this way, and that's why they include the dropper. So I'm just going to use that for both of my hands, and I'm going to try my best just to apply it along my knuckles. If I get out of frame, I do apologize. I'm going to try to be mindful of that. I think I got the ash under control. Now let's go ahead and start with the prep. Oh, I hope all of you are okay. I hope everyone's living good, feeling good. I did get my son's pictures back from prom. Yeah, I'll try to insert a picture somewhere in this video. There's two directions on here. One is for the nail glue, and then the other is for the adhesive tab. I've never done this before, so yeah. I'm going to stick to the rivers and lakes that I'm used to, and I'm just going to use the glue that she included here. Big thank you to her. She really thought about this prep kit. Look at the baby buffer, y'all. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start. I guess we're just going to buff the nail out. I started to get back into getting my nails done, and I really had a bad experience, y'all. I went to this nail salon and they were so dope. And the last visit, listen, it's that deep. The last visit, I was in so much pain. She literally filed my nail like down to the skin. Long story short, I had to actually let that nail set grow out, which is why you have been seeing the nubs lately, because I don't want to take that chance. I mean, that mess really, really freaking hurt. You know what I'm saying? So when she reached out to me and was like, hey, would you like to try some press-ons? And I was like, yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to file. Okay. Girl, I told y'all, I ain't never did this before. Okay. So you're supposed to file your nails down. So I'm going to push my cuticles back. Oh, okay. So this makes it look more natural. Okay. So I'm a little worried about my cuticles because, baby, they looking a little crustified. But we gonna go ahead and go through it. So crustified. That is what it's giving me right now. So I hope that's good. I mean, looks good to me. Ow, 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 ow. We got our set, y'all. We got our set. Ow. Y'all already know I'm long-winded as folk, okay? So I use the alcohol prep pads, both of them, basically just to get all of the oil, dirt, whatever off my nails. Very important if you want these to last like a week plus. Please don't do what I do, okay? Because listen, these are hair shears, or they were, and they were actually pretty sharp. And me being me, I didn't use them to cut my hair, cut open packages, girl. Okay, so we're just gonna press down. It says make a thin layer, so I guess I spread it all on here. Sup, Megan. So I did forget to mention the quality of these nails. These are not flimsy. These are very, very sturdy nails. Now, with the thumb, that was my first try, kind of filling it out. And I realized I needed to actually kind of apply a little pressure on the nail on a flat surface just to kind of loosen up the curve, so that way I would get a snug fit and it wouldn't be like super tight on my nail bed. I hope that makes sense. But baby, the quality, top tier. Shoot, bitch. Pose, 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 pose. Alright, so let me show you this nail glue. This nail glue, this is the bee's knees. Like, seriously, this stuff dries super quick. And when I tell you these are on, like, the clackas is gonna be clacking, baby. The last part of this is gonna be something that I thought was so cute, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. So if you haven't guessed what this is a cuticle oil. Is that not the cutest thing? And it has, of course, the little glitter in it. Now, my apologies. My daughter got a hold of this. You know what happens when kids get a hold of stuff. They break it or they use it all. So you actually get plenty of oil in here. And my daughter was using it on her lips. Yeah. So I'm just going to push the plunger. And I'm hoping we can get something out. And I'm just going to apply this along my cuticles. Well, look at that. Can y'all see? Look. All right, y'all. So what we thinking? Yeah, I think this set came out so freaking good, girl. I'm gonna be tippity tapping all the way this whole week. The clickety clacks, it will be clacking, okay? Do I feel she met my expectations from my previous set? Yes, she did. I think she actually went far above and beyond. The attention to detail is so much appreciated. She was very neat about the gold leaf, and I think that just brought the whole look together. These nails are very high quality. I can tell you that they are sturdy. So girl, if you gotta scratch your leg, if you gotta, throw your hair in a ponytail, whatever you do throughout the day, you don't have to worry about these breaking, bending, buckling. So beautiful job. She definitely has a customer for life. So I'm excited, y'all. I definitely want to get some other sets because this worked out really, really good. So thank you so much to her. She's a viewer. So hey girl, thank you. Definitely hit her up in the description box down below. I'll have a direct link to her store as well as a direct link to her Instagram. Show her some love. Tell her Mika Lynn sent you. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you go. I know you've been here for a minute, boo. You might as well just do it. Of course, ring the bell, get all push notifications. Most importantly, I hope you all drop me a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep loving on yourself. Keep yourself first. And as always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.